We live in an age of planned obsolescence, a relentless march of disposable devices designed to fail just past their warranty. Most modern tech is, frankly, junk, but occasionally, just occasionally, something cuts through the noise. Something is built not just to perform, but to endure. The SincMill Home Gym Multifunctional full-body workout equipment is one such rare exception. Its most remarkable engineering feat lies in what they call the new design, a truly professional approach where different parts are dedicated solely to pushing or clamping actions. This means, and pay close attention here, no manual adjustments are required when transitioning between exercises. Think about that for a moment. No fumbling with pins, no wasted seconds trying to reconfigure, just a fluid, uninterrupted workout. It sets a new industry standard for seamless operation, transforming a Tuesday morning workout from a chore into a focused, refined experience. While lesser machines demand your attention for their shortcomings, this one simply works, allowing you to focus on your body, not the equipment. And the build quality lives up to that promise. This is a hefty, dense piece of machinery. The frame and weight guards, the very skeleton of this system, are crafted from high-quality, thick steel. When you interact with it, you feel that cold, reassuring weight, a testament to its formidable construction. It is a tool designed to be challenged, to withstand years of demanding use without a whimper. Every aspect, from its professional design pedigree to the promise of easy installation with numbered parts, speaks to longevity and efficiency, saving you not just effort, but precious time over its lifetime. Now, if I had one minor quibble, and it is truly minor, it is the sheer physical presence this machine commands. While a testament to its robust engineering, it does demand a dedicated footprint. This isn't a foldable yoga mat, it's a serious piece of kit. But in the grand scheme of things, for equipment built to this standard, that space is a necessary investment, a trade-off for unparalleled stability and professional performance that will simply outlast nearly anything else on the market. For those serious about long-term fitness, this SincMill Home Gym is an investment worth exploring. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I put the link below so you can check the current price.